1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh, come on, count again.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay, now in Spanish. Now in Spanish. Uno.
Uno, dos, tres, cuatro.
No, there's more than cuatro. Come on.
5, 6, 4, 5, 6, 6, 4, 6,
Okay, how about the colors? Can you tell me what colors they are? What color are they? What color are they?
White.
Uh-huh. What else?
Red.
Uh-huh.
Green.
Uh-huh.
White. Green.
What's this one at the bottom?
Blue.
Blue. And what's this one?
No, wait. White. Green. White. Green. Wait. I say the
Okay. You do it, Katya. Go.
One. What? I just did not.
Keep going.
White. Green. White. Red. Green. Yellow.